Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery. In this key fob here, you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this, 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here on this side. When you turn the fob like this, you see it, you see this small button. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it this way, you can pull this mechanical key out, this one. So remove the mechanical key. When you remove the mechanical key, turn the fob like this. This here is the bottom. At the bottom you see this. And this here is the side with the buttons facing down. Alright, now right here in the center, in this hole, you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key like this. Insert the tip and twist it a little bit, push, and this way you can separate this fob into two pieces. Like this. So when you separate it into two pieces, you see right after that your old dead battery on this side. Now when you see your old dead battery over here in this side, take your small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here and push the battery outside. When you remove the battery, here in the same place just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the negative side facing up, so the positive side is facing down. This step here is very important. Now when you insert your new battery over here, take the two pieces again, this one and this one, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and snap them together. Now when you snap them together, take your mechanical key, put it back inside the fob, and just like in the beginning right here, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.